Good morning friends. Now in this video we will discuss about decomposition reaction. Now decomposition reaction is just opposite to combination reaction. Okay. Decompose means split or break. Decompose. Decomposition. Decompose means what? Break. Splitting or breaking. Those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions are carried out by applying heat, light or electricity. First, what is decomposition reaction? Reaction in which a single substance breaks up. Okay. Here single substance breaks up into two or more simpler substances. This compound breaks up. Like in combination what we have discussed, A plus B forms AB and here AB breaks up to form A plus B. Okay, so how this reaction is carried out? By heat, light or electricity. These all are the agents of displacement reaction. What are the agents of displacement reaction? Heat, light or electricity. Means in presence of heat, light and electricity this reaction is carried out. Okay. There are how many types of displacement reaction? There are three types of displacement reaction. First is there are three types of decomposition reaction. First is thermal decomposition, second electrolytic decomposition and third is photo decomposition. What is thermal decomposition? Thermal means heat. Reaction taking place by absorbing heat, that is called thermal. Okay, thermal decomposition. Now, what is electrolytic decomposition? The reaction taking place when electric current is passed through the compound in molten state or in aqueous solution. It's called electrolytic decomposition. Okay. Name itself suggests electrolytic. Now last is photo. Photo means what? Heat. Photo decomposition, light. Photo decomposition reaction or photolysis. Decomposition reaction taking place by absorption of light, mainly sunlight. It's called photo. Photo means light. Okay, reaction taking place by absorbing heat. This is the reaction taking place by absorbing heat. Thermal reaction taking place by absorbing electricity is called electrolytic or electrolysis. Photo, the reaction taking place by absorbing light, mainly sunlight, that is called photoelectrolytic decomposition. Now thermal decomposition, see example, ferrous sulfate crystal, okay, which is available in science laboratory are actually ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, okay, green vitriol. Its common name is green vitriol, that is FeSO4. Green vitriol formula is FeSO4 7H2O. So they contain 7 molecules of water of crystallization. This 7 molecules is called water of crystallization. This is light green in color. Okay. So this is also very important. What is the color of ferrous sulfate or green vitriol? Its color is green. Okay. When green colored ferrous sulfate heptahydrate crystal are heated, they first lose 7 molecules of water of crystallization to form anhydrous ferrous sulfate, which is white in color. On further heating, it decomposes to form smell of burning sulfur by giving sulfur dioxide. Sulfur trioxide gas leaving behind a reddish brown residue of ferric oxide. Okay, just see this FeSO4. What happens when FeSO4 is heated? When ferrous sulfate is heated, this is the sign of heat, you can also use this. It loses 7 molecules of water of crystallization, 7SO4 and 7 FeSO4 and 7H2O. Okay, this light green color. This is green color, it converted into white color. Color of ferrous sulfate is white and color of this is green. So what is the observation here? Here we have observed that when ferrous sulfate is heated, okay, when ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, this is hepta means 7 molecule of water. When ferrous sulfate heptahydrate is heated, it forms ferrous sulfate and lose 7 molecules of water, and its color changes from green to white. This is the observation here. Now thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. First what we have discussed, that decomposition of ferrous ammonium sulfate. We are going through NCERT. So first this we have discussed. Second, thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. Okay, when lead nitrate it decomposes, it again, see, lead nitrate, PbNO3. Lead nitrate, again just heat it. What it will form? It will form PbO, lead oxide, plus NO2. Just to balance it, 2 here, 4. See here, colorless lead nitrate. This is colorless and it is lead oxide is yellow in color. Colorless changes from colorless to yellow, and this nitrogen oxide, it is brown fumes. Brown fumes of nitrogen oxide. Now see, next, calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next, electrolytic decomposition means decomposition reaction by passing electricity like water. When electricity is electrolysis here, write on. When water is electrolysis, then it forms hydrogen, okay, and oxygen. 2, 4, 4, 2. Okay. So see here, in this decomposition reaction, a single compound water splits up to form two simpler substances, that is hydrogen and oxygen. It is to be noted that volume of gas collected in two test tubes is not the same. The volume of gas collected on the negatively charged cathode is double than the volume of gas collected on the terminal anode. Since the electrolysis of water produces 2 volume of hydrogen gas and 1 volume of oxygen gas, 1 volume oxygen and 2 volume of hydrogen gas, we conclude that the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen element in water is 2:1. This is the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water, that is 2:1 by volume. In other words, electrolysis of water shows that water is a compound made up of 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. So, formula is H2O because it is made from 2 part hydrogen and 1 part is oxygen. Okay. Now see photocomposition, photodecomposition reaction. Photo means light. When decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of light, that is called photodecomposition reaction. Like example, just see silver chloride or silver bromide, AgCl. This is solid AgCl, light. Just keep it in outside in sunlight. What you will observe that it splits up into 2 elements, silver plus chlorine. Okay. In this reaction, the white color of silver chloride changes to grayish white. This is white color changes to grayish white silver due to the formation of silver metal. The decomposition of silver chloride is caused by light. Okay, it may be sunlight or bulb light. This reaction is used to black and white photography. Silver bromide also behaves in the same way as silver chloride. If you will write here silver bromide, then also reaction will be like this only. It forms silver plus bromine. Is exposed to light, it decomposes to form silver metal and bromine vapor. Okay, like silver bromide, AgBr. What will it will form? It will form Ag plus Br. Its use of photolysis in photography. The photographic film is coated with the thin layer of silver salt. When light falls on the film, the silver ions present in the silver salt are converted to metallic silver. This forms a dark area on the film. When the film is developed, the reacted silver salt are washed away, leaving behind the silver. This film is now called negative. That was the negative of photography. Okay. Now in our next video, we will discuss about next reaction, that is displacement reaction. Today we have discussed this crystal. This also discussed earlier, ferrous sulfate. This calcium carbonate also discussed. This also we have discussed. Heating of lead nitrate. This also discussed. Here also we have discussed about this silver chloride. So thank you. Next day first we will discuss in text question, then we will discuss about other reaction.